be able to take some of that and pull down in
Oh
here.
yeah, this is perfect, yeah. What a beautiful day. This is the third delivery of gravel. Takes a while to figure out how this is going to work. The first one worked fine, but I couldn't get it quite level without raising the front end very high. That's the RV. The second level allowed me to have a pad come further out and to almost have the RV level. And this one is to extend the slope to the pad so it's more gradual and not such a big challenge to get the RV to back it in. Now the fun part, smoothing it out with a rake. And it's a beautiful day to get this done. Gonna take a while. Better use two hands.
That's a lot of rock. How much rock did you get?
I think 9 tons.
9 tons. Oh my gosh.
Is the minimum order. The third delivery, and I think the last. I can see I need to level it off a little bit towards the back, but this is the deeper side of the gravel, and so the RV will sink and pack it down over time. So I don't want to do too much, but this needs to be a gradual ramp. As gradual as we can make it. I've got the gravel raked out pretty good and leveled the way I want it, increasing the pad length and graduating the ramp. It's quite soft though, so what I'm going to do is hose it down real good so the finer material will soak in. Then I'll drive over it a number of times in the car or truck before taking the RV on it. I got to get the softer material, the finer material, to sink in enough so I can drive over it and pack it down. Otherwise, I'm just going to make some huge ruts. Using the sprinkler is a lot more efficient than hand holding a hose. Let's see how soft it is. Oh, very soft.
You almost went over the edge.
Well, better in the car than in the RV. Well, the car compressed it pretty good. There are some bumpy spots and a ridge here. Of course, I can't drive there because I'd go off the edge, which I almost did once, as you can see here. The additional gravel worked perfect. The gentle slope of the ramp to the pad was so much easier to back the RV up. And the RV is almost perfectly level. The additional tire ruts from the RV are minimal. I think we have a permanent driveway and pad for our RV. There's enough room for the slide out and to access the storage compartments. Nice place to camp here in our RV. We really don't need to go anywhere. And we can share our RV with our guests, like a spare bedroom, right here at home in Sequim.